And to test the dovetail, I could do like this, tip this up and test, but I think this will be a little bit less accurate than instead tipping this up to let gravity do it, and then we'll see. To have it as convenient as possible and of course secure it. Use gravity with a shorter straight edge here, testing in a much better way, so you can get a good feel here. So in this situation I would favor to tilt this up. Of course it has to be sturdy. It's not really that sturdy, but at least it doesn't have to be any chance that it can tilt. And then stone this surface. I'm looking here at the surface that has been, I'm not sure what they've done. There are stripes this way, so they've run some kind of maybe a milling cutter this way, and it's kind of wobbly also. Anyway, I like to test it this way now, because I think that this way I can get a better feel. Meaning using less force to find the pivot points, and I think it's high in the middle. At least try to mark up this way. I'm using liberal blue here also. Okay. At least it's touching all the way. That means that there should be less work. Not, maybe a little bit high in the middle, but not much. Not really. No. It's quite okay. If the low points, or there is not too much difference between the high and the low points. I think I should be able to work it like this, just clamping it down. Maybe another clamp here, resting it to the wall. We'll see. It should be at least sturdy when attempting to scrape it. But it's placed in a convenient position, both for measurement and scraping. After the first scrape, a little bit of improvement, not really that much, but we'll just carry on. Then after two scrapes, you see it's improving a lot. So just carry on. Number 4. So I'm starting to hit, well, quite nicely all over. So just work a little bit more on this spots there, then I'm done, I guess. It's a bit hard to see, but I think I've managed to cover the second dovetail here on the saddle, and also the way, apart from the very end here, which I will work on a little bit. So testing this just with a straight edge glued up. First test, not too shabby, although we could improve that. And then this is part of a test, let's say, regime that where I want to use the saddle onto the waist to see where, if at all anywhere, we have some errors in alignment between these two transverse ways. Namely, if I can run this and measure that it's exactly 90 degrees to the other ways, then I'm happy.